Why is any non-zero number raised to the zero power equal to 1? Is it just a rule? No, we can actually prove it. Let's start with the quotient rule of exponents. A raised to the m divided by a raised to the n equals a raised to the power of m minus n. Now, let the exponents be the same. A raised to the n divided by a raised to the n equals a raised to the power of n minus n. Since n minus n equals 0, the right side becomes a raised to the 0 power. What about the left side? Any non-zero number divided by itself is 1, so 1 equals a raised to the 0 power. Therefore, a raised to the 0 power equals 1 for any non-zero value of a. The base must be non-zero because 0 divided by 0 is indeterminate. Now you know that a to the power of 0 equals 1 isn't just a rule, it's a result of the laws of exponents. Follow for more math misconceptions.